How we doing, guys? Let's go over Matic Polygon. If you have money in Matic, I need to let you know, millions are flooding out of the market cap for Matic. This is not a bullish sign, okay? So if you have money in Matic, I would be expecting a little bit of a drop down. We're gonna go over that. We're gonna go over the metrics, the emotional index, the market cap strength, well and institutional smart money, guys. We're gonna dive on in here. So let's do this, guys. We're 117 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade. We have, from what we can find, the highest win rate ever on YouTube, possibly ever in crypto. And we have a really healthy account here because we are using very good risk management with our strategy. Show you guys this real quick. We're sitting up currently $48, $5,000 in our account. And just giving you guys an overview of what we're doing. We live trade literally on every one of these videos. We're in a live trade right now for Matic. All right, guys, you ready to dive in? There is indecision going on in the market right now for Matic. If you've got money in the market right now, you're seeing this as well. The RSI stochastic and MACD for retail traders is bearish. Bullish on 50, 100, and 200 moving average. Indecision, it's why we're in a consolidation period here. Come down here and look at this. Price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion here is showing us that we're pushed up in the top section here on trend exhaustion, but well money flows in the middle. In a consolidation period, you guys are going to see these indicators go to the middle because it's not in a place where wells are looking to sell a ton. They're not looking to buy a ton. It is indecision. They're waiting. They're waiting to see what retail traders are going to do. When trend exhaustion is high and well money flow is high here, that is when we're looking for drops back down. Also, were you guys able to spot this double top here? At the same time there's a double top and you see money moving out of the market, this is a bearish sign. You guys want to call the biggest drops in the market before they happen? Do this. Come over here and look at this. If you guys ever see a double top formation or a high at another higher high and you see the green line here, money flow moving out of the market, that is a huge sign that wells are abandoning their long positions, they're selling, and this is going to see a drop. You guys need to be watching this. If you have these indicators, congratulations. You guys literally are cheating in crypto because they're that accurate. So if you guys want to snag these, I'll make this a very quick thing. Our sell is ending today. You guys literally have, some of you, probably about 2 or 3 hours left, and we're going to be upping the price of this. Let me show you this very quick, and I'm going to get onto the metrics of what you guys want to see. But literally, we are upping the price of the bundle pack. It's the biggest sell we've ever had. It's going to be going up at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. People have made $43,000, $1,200, $4,000, $2,200. It just goes on, and our testimonials are ridiculous, okay? Don't want you to miss out. Enter coupon code MARCH at checkout, and you guys can get them 84% off. It's better than our Black Friday sale we ran last year. You have a few hours left. Don't miss that, guys. It's how we've literally been able to have the highest win rate on any crypto trading platform I believe that there's ever been. It's an honor. It's awesome. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, go for it. What I'm looking for here is when trend exhaustion is high like this, I'm looking for the move back down. We're already seeing it this morning, guys. There's divergence. Do you see how this is divergence, where the trend exhaustion making a high and a lower high and price action doing, this double top, arguably maybe just a tad bit higher here. So that is a higher high. This is where you need to watch for drops back down. Now, how far are we going to go? Let me give you guys an honest, I don't like, oh my gosh, unrealistic predictions. Are just nauseating. Like, forget it. Let me give you guys an honest prediction of where I think we're going to drop the furthest to. It is down here, and it's right at about $1.54, $1.54. There's a reason for this. It is the 50% Fibonacci retracement on the trend. It is also at a very, very strong structure support. We do not have one structure here. We have 2 structures here. So let me get this out of the way so you guys can see this. 1 structure, 2 structures. If this market's going to drop, I believe Ethereum and Bitcoin, the next structure on Ethereum and Bitcoin is a 10% drop. Okay? It's a 9 to 10% drop. So if you look at this and you look to see what about a 9 to 10% drop is, guess what? It puts us again right at these structures right here. So if we're going to drop, I want you guys to be watching for a possibility of hitting 154. Nothing crazy on this channel like we're going to drop all the way back down, but nothing crazy like we're just going to head straight up here to resistance. That's not going to happen either. Let me get into the metrics and I'll try to prove this to you guys a little bit here. The emotional index is in the greedy section here. The last time we got greedy was up here and we went into a full bear market. Now, I do not believe we're going to start pushing into a bear market and break this low. I do believe, I have a strong conviction here from what I'm seeing, that this was the low for Matic, like this year. Like for the year of 2022, I believe this is the low. If I get proven wrong, we'll assess that, but I believe it was the low here, and I'll show you guys reasons of why. Let's move down here. Market cap. Market cap, when we did get down here, we started seeing it move back up and people started to acquire it. But let me point your attention to something right now. Some of you guys are like, man, I'm buying this thing because I know whales are buying it. Okay. No, they're not. They're actually selling it. And I'm not just going to say that. Let me prove it to you. Look at what's happening with market cap. I'm going to zoom this in here so you can all see this. This is undisputable evidence. During this duration right here that we can all see, what happened with price structure? We created a high and another high. What happened with the market cap of Matic? It is dropping by the millions. You cannot have this visual structure move down like this without millions of dollars coming out of these markets. It is impossible. Literally, the way you need to interpret this is millions of dollars are being sold, not just transitioned, literally being sold out of Matic, and it's going into other coins. I believe those coins are stable coins because people are ready for the drop and they're looking at this. This did not just blast up back here and break the high. This was the precursor that we didn't break this high. It's a double top formation, guys. Look for the drop that's already been happening. We're trying to call this out the last few days, so just again, warn you guys about this. If you guys are like, man, I want to trade with Wells institutions. Okay, well, they're selling their trades on Matic right now. So you decide what you want to do. I'm in this trade with you guys. I'm going to hold this trade because we're only 4.92% away from the entry. So I will be looking for an exit around the structure high here to grab about 7% on this trade. So watch for my call there. Now, let's move down here. I want to show you guys another scenario where this could actually get pretty bullish, but overall, unbiasedly, this market is selling off on Matic right now, okay? You can see that. As far as trades in favor, this has been showing us that good short trades have been in favor up here, and that's what we've seen. We've seen ever since we pushed up in here, this is good short trade and great short trade area, it has been struggling to move back up. Okay, look at this. Well, and institutional smart money. These guys have been coming out here and looking at short trades in the market. Last time they did this, the market dropped like crazy. Then they dropped the market out over here as well. Then they dropped it out ridiculously over here. They didn't get what they wanted. The market pushed up a little bit further, trapping retail traders with basically what's called a bull trap, and the market crashed. Okay, there's no reason why the market cannot head back down to this area of 154. So just be prepared for that. What you guys need to be doing is, if you guys have money that you want to scalp with, look for this setup right here. When trend exhaustion is back in the bottom red section and well money flow is low, that is going to be an incredible opportunity to get into a long scalping trade for 3 to 4% profit. You want to know exactly how to do this, how people are making $43,000 plus dollars once you guys have your membership over here. I don't even know if I went over this already, so I apologize if I didn't. 117 wins, 0 losses. Here's how you guys trade this. I'm going to show this to you. All the metrics here, you guys are going to get access to. Telegram channel, you're going to get access to that. The entries and exits for all of our coins. Copy everything I'm doing. All the masterclasses are yours. The community chat is yours, which is awesome, by the way. And we're going to go live in April 14th in a live Zoom call with everybody. But here's what I want to show you guys. Once you have that membership, go to the masterclasses and watch this video. This will show you guys how people are scalping with our indicators in here, and they're doing tens of thousands of dollars. And this shows you next time trend exhaustion is at the bottom red zone here, well money flow is low, and if you can time that with this, let me show this to you right here. Just showing you guys how to make money. So it's kind of fun. All right. If you can time that with the emotional index pushing back down into the anxious or fearful section, or you come down here and see a good long trade setup, guys, that is a really, really good long trade to get into. It's a very hard trade to lose. Okay. This is coming from a channel, not to be arrogant, but we've never lost a trade. So I think you guys are going to enjoy this a lot. Okay, let's move down here. As far as a breakdown, a really nice structure support, like I've been talking here, is again, that 154. This is so obvious to everybody. It should be obvious to everyone. You need to watch 154, not 150. The quarters theory level is 150. I understand that. And it's a very strong level. It's psychological too, but 154 is where structure is, so it's probably going to bounce there before anything else. Okay, dollar cost average entries, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup here, and I'll show you guys what this could look like if we bounce back up. Entries here, if you guys took this entry, you guys are doing fantastic. So great job for everyone just following the metrics, getting in here and taking these trades here. You guys are currently sitting up 24%, so great job. Let me play the scenario real quick of how this can turn around really bullish. Here's what can happen. It's called a short squeeze play in the market. Right now, you've got a lot of people selling this market, and we can see this because market cap's literally moving down over here. So people are selling their positions. Wall price is moving up, not a bullish sign. Okay, guys? What can happen is that we have a ton of people shorting at this area. It is a double top short. People are holding these shorts because I guarantee people are looking for more profit than what they've accumulated already of just 4%, okay? So what can happen here is people are still holding their short trades. I really believe this, okay, guys? If the price starts moving back up here and it breaks structure high, I bet majority of retail traders or even big institutions that are shorting right now have their stop losses at structure high to prevent themselves losing on a breakout. If this moves up back here next week and we come above 180, that will hit majority stop losses on short trades, and everybody going long is going to be going long, and then short trades will switch their positions. And that, and only in that scenario, guys, am I then looking for a target at structure high here of possibly next week to maybe hit 185, 187, 190 possibly. But it has to be a short squeeze play, and I do think it's possible for this to happen, but this correction move back down is what I'm really looking for first. Okay. With that said, let me show you now how to get into a trade setup so you guys can trade this and take advantage of this market right now. Here's how you guys can do this. And it doesn't matter if the price goes up or down. This is how you can be safe in the market. I will be doing a Bitcoin video overview later for everybody. Okay, here's how you guys trade this. This is how we have literally never lost a single trade with 117 wins in a row with 0 losses. And guys, we have the healthiest YouTube account we can find. A lot of traders are still down 30 to 40% in the market right now, and we're up 6,000. It's because of our buy limit strategy, and we spread our money out at very key levels. Okay, here's what you guys are going to do, and I'll keep this in view because I literally do this over here with 4 buy limits. Choose the amount you want to enter each of our trades with, our coins. Let's say it's $1,000. Split it into 4 equal portions. That's $250. Place $250 at each of the yellow lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There's a quarters theory. Excuse me. No, I'm not even going to go into that. I would use. You guys can use 3 levels right now. So instead of using all 4, because we're below what's... I got to show it to you guys anyways. I'm just going to do this. This is in one of our master classes, and I'm just going to say I think we're probably pretty close to this, so I should probably talk about it. What you guys can do is instead of entering 4 buy limits, if you're below what's called the equator, you take the low and you take the high of a coin. So this is like the North Pole, South Pole. You look at the equator, which is right in the middle. We are literally pretty much dead center in the middle. So I would personally use 3 buy limits on this coin. If you guys are like, are you getting back in? I would use 3. Can I just point this out to you guys as well? We're in the top red section on the daily time frame, and well money flow is this high. Come on, guys. Like, we need to be watching for this move back down. I'm not just putting out thumbnails for clickbait. Like, last time we saw this, the market ended up dropping like I didn't look at this chart this morning to look at this, but we ended up dropping in the market 40%. 40% drop, guys. Last time this happened on the daily time frame. Somebody, like, if you guys are watching videos of like, oh, this thing's bullish, it's going to go to the moon without predicting a drop down, I don't know what metrics and data they're looking at, because we're looking at this and if it goes up, it would be the best thing to, like, it'd be the best worst call if this thing just goes straight back up, because there's more signs it's going to go down. Okay, once you guys have your buy limit set up, you're going to have 4 different buy limits over here. I'll make this fast because I know this video is long and people's attention span in 2022 is really short. So once your first buy limit is hit, set up that sell limit up here, and then follow me in Telegram. I will call out all of these exits for you guys. If you join us today on this trade, I'm in this trade. So all you have to do is join us, and then I'll call an exit for you guys, and then I'll tell you exactly when I'm getting back into Matic with my own personal money, and I'll call it out in Telegram. Literally everything, it's like having me as a personal friend in a text message away. Everything I do and everything I've ever done with my account, I call it out in Telegram so you guys can follow me. So make sure you guys are just getting into Telegram and you're watching that, and then join the chat. The chat is awesome where all of our members hang out and talk. Like, there's a lot of people over here now. Like, you guys are blowing this thing up. It's like kind of ridiculous in the most awesome way. So thanks for, guys, I just want to say thank you for the people who are helping each other. Like, it is so awesome to see you guys just helping each other in the markets and answering questions that each of you guys have. It's awesome. Like, we're on here, myself, Jake, and Josh, we're going to be, moderating it and going on and helping people, but you guys are just awesome. Like, straight up, you guys are freaking awesome, if I can say that. Okay, look at this real quick, guys. The membership, you guys know it's $95 a month. That's really important you get in there. That is actually how you access all of our entries and exits, as well as the Telegram channel and the community chat. But then for the indicators, just be aware of this. You guys have a few hours left, and I'm going to be upping the price. We will never have our indicators lower than this price right now. This is the final hours, the final countdown. I know, terrible singer. But you guys want to come in here and snag this today. It is 84% off. Use coupon code MARCH at checkout. We have the highest rated and the highest selling product on all of Gumroad.com for education, for trading, as well as indicators. It's awesome. We're super honored by that. It's because we make traders a ridiculous amount of money with these, and I believe they are the 2 best indicators you guys will ever use for crypto. So With the bundle pack, you guys will get all 9 of our indicators, not just the 3 that you need. All 9 of them are yours. It's cheaper than the 3 if you just buy them separately. But if you guys have purchased any individual indicators, email us and we'll give you the difference of the bundle pack, since this is super cheap right now, before I up it this afternoon. Okay, this afternoon, this evening, depending on where you guys are living, we're upping the price today. So make sure you guys snag that. Overall, watch, guys, for this drop back down in crypto. Matic is seeing millions of dollars head out on the market cap. That's undisputable. Everyone can see this over here. So when we see this, this is not a bullish sign. This is divergence. Money's moving out and price is trying to move up. Watch for the drop back down to structure at 154. All right, guys, get your long trades set up so you have good risk management. Get into our next trades. We're going to try to target 130 for 130 wins in the month of April. And I think we can possibly do it. I think we can do it, guys. I think we can do it. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Everything you need is in the description. The indicators, the membership are there. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye, guys. Love you.